Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel Food Tech Buddy. Applications of redox reactions. Combustion. Burning of a substance by oxidation with oxygen in air is called combustion. For example, CH4 burns by oxidation with oxygen. CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. The oxidation number of carbon increases from -4 to +4 and that of oxygen decreases from 0 to -2. Hence, it is a redox reaction. CH4 is a reducing agent and oxygen is an oxidizing agent. Magnesium burns by oxidation with oxygen in air. Magnesium plus O2 gives magnesium oxide. The oxidation number of magnesium increases from 0 to +2 and that of oxygen decreases from 0 to -2. Mg is a reducing agent and oxidizes itself. Oxygen is an oxidizing agent and itself reduces. Bleaching. Decolorization or lightening of colored material uses redox reaction and is called bleaching. For example, NaOCl is an oxidizing agent in bleaching of clothes to remove stains. An element chlorine is used as an oxidizing agent to bleach wood pulp into white paper. H2O2 is used as an oxidizing agent to bleach dark hair by a redox reaction. Batteries. The electricity produced in batteries or galvanic cells is due to the redox reactions occurring in them. For example, Daniell cell involves the transfer of electrons from zinc to copper through a wire connecting the two electrodes which are dipped in the solutions of their own ions. Zn is oxidized by transferring 2 electrons to Cu2 plus ions which are reduced. Thus, Zn plus Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus plus Cu. The oxidation number of Zn increases from 0 to 2 and that of copper decreases from +2 to 0. Metallurgy. In metallurgy, metals are extracted from their ores and they are then purified. The extraction and purification of metals use redox reactions in different steps. For example, sulfide minerals are converted to oxide by roasting. 2ZnS plus 3O2 in presence of heat gives 2ZnO plus 2SO2. The oxidation number of S increases from -2 to +4 and that of oxygen decreases from 0 to -2. Zinc oxide is reduced by coke to prepare Zn. Zinc oxide plus carbon in presence of heat gives zinc plus CO. The oxidation number of Zn decreases from +2 to 0 and that of carbon increases from 0 to +2. Corrosion. The corrosion is the destruction of metals by oxidation. For example, rusting of iron is its oxidation by oxygen of air in the presence of moisture. 4Fe plus 3O2 in presence of water gives 2Fe2O3 plus H2O. H2O. Corroded Fe. Respiration. The process of breathing and using oxygen for biological redox reactions is called respiration. The biological redox reactions provide energy required for the living organisms. The overall effect of respiration is similar to combustion. For example, sugar, glucose reacts with oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water releasing energy. C6H12O6 plus 6CO2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. The oxidation number of carbon increases from 0 to +4 and that of oxygen decreases from 0 to -2. Hence, it is a redox reaction. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.